Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert PDF to Word document. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. There are several methods, consider the two simplest. So all we need is open your Word file and click File, Save As. Then select the folder where you want to save the PDF document, then click the file type and select PDF. That's it, it's done. We check whether this PDF file really exists on the desktop. To convert PDF to Word, on the contrary, you need to right click on the file and select Open with Word. The system will notify you that the file is being converted, confirm, and that's all. As for the second method, you need to open a browser and type convert Word to PDF. You will have access to many sites where you can do this for free. Just upload your Word file and after convert, download the finished PDF file. If you want to do the opposite, then enter convert PDF to Word and do the same. That's how simple it is. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.